Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to the Vietnam series. Today we are going to Da Nang from Ho Chi Minh. We have a flight right now. It's our day 3 in Vietnam. So I'll see you guys at the airport.
So we have reached the airport and now we are boarding the flight. So see you guys in Da Nang.
हम Da Nang पहुंच गए हैं. ये मेरे पीछे ड्रैगन ब्रिज है. हम होटल जा रहे हैं.
अब हम हमारी होटल फिविटल पहुंच गए हैं एंड वी ऑल्सो गॉट अ वेलकम ड्रिंक. हम हमारे रूम में एंटर कर रहे हैं एंड दिस इज़ आवर रूम फॉर 3 नाइट स्टे इन दा नांग. हमने बालकनी वाला रूम बुक किया था एंड जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू, इट्स सो अमेजिंग. ये मेरे बेड से व्यू है. Pivotal is most affordable luxurious hotel and a must stay in Da Nang.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं मार्बल माउंटेन्स पे. We'll see you there.
So we have reached Marble Mountains, one of the most famous attractions in Da Nang. अगर आपको यहाँ से सीढ़ियों से जाना है तो यहाँ टिकट काउंटर से आपको टिकट लेना पड़ेगा विच कॉस्ट अराउंड 40,000 डोंग. अगर सीढ़ियों से नहीं जाना है दे हैव द लॉन्गेस्ट लिफ्ट जिसकी टिकट अंदर मिलेगी एंड उसका प्राइस है 55,000 डोंग. एंड वी चोज टू गो अप बाय लिफ्ट. सो लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर मार्बल माउंटेन्स.
5 to 7 माउंटेन्स है. इनको एक क्लस्टर को मार्बल माउंटेन्स बोलते हैं.
A cluster of 5 limestones and marble hills, each named after an element: water, fire, earth, wood and metal. These mountains are a spiritual and scenic wonder. We found some beautiful and ancient pagodas hidden in the greenery of Marble Mountains. These temples with their unique designs felt so calm and peaceful. इनिशियली हमने लिफ्ट से आना इसलिए प्रेफर किया था बिकॉज अंदर भी बहुत स्टेयर्स है. नाउ यू कैन सी वी हैव टू क्लाइम अप 100 स्टेप्स.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं सी वॉचिंग टावर पे.
एंड दिस इज द व्यू फ्रॉम द टावर.
बैंगथॉन केव का एंट्रेंस है. यू कैन सी द
मार्बल माउंटेन्स आए और यहाँ के केव्स एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करे, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? We have entered the cave and these caves have ancient statues making it feel sacred. Every corner of the cave had something new to discover. As we went deeper into the cave, we found another narrow path leading to a small climb. It was a bit steep, but the curiosity to see what's hidden inside kept us going. Step by step, we made our way up, excited to explore more of this mysterious place. It was completely dark inside and हमको पता ही नहीं था यहाँ से आगे कहाँ जाना है. We thought it's the same way from where we came up. But we were absolutely wrong. यहाँ पे एक और छोटी सी एंट्रेंस थी जहाँ से हमें बाहर जाना था. This climb was really tough. हम यहाँ से बाहर निकले and
now we have to climb up this.
वो बोलते हैं ना the best view comes after the hardest climb. आज मैंने वो एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया. What an amazing view. एंड यहाँ पे हमें ताइवान की एक सोलो ट्रैवलर मिली जिसने हमारे साथ ये क्लाइम एक्सपीरियंस किया. नाउ वी आर एंटरिंग द सेकेंड केव नेम्ड हुआनिम.
Entrance of this cave.
And it is also known as the waterfall cave.
We are inside this cave. Let's go and explore.
Inside, we discovered a beautiful Buddha statue surrounded by peaceful temples tucked into the cave walls. The soft light filtering through added a serene glow to the entire space. During the rainy season, we can see water flowing through these caves. Since it was a dry season, we couldn't see the waterfall. However, we could imagine how stunning it must look during the rains. This place is a sacred site where nature and faith come together perfectly. After exploring the caves, we climbed further up to reach the viewpoint, and it was absolutely worth it. From here, we had a beautiful panoramic view of the entire city and the green surroundings. The cool breeze and the stunning scenery made it a perfect spot to pause and soak in the beauty of Marble Mountains. Now we are at one of the most iconic landmarks of Da Nang.
This is the famous Dragon Bridge behind me. You can see.
At night, the bridge lights up beautifully, and if you're lucky enough to be there on a weekend, you can also enjoy the dragon show.
अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं लवलॉक ब्रिज पे.
ड्रैगन ब्रिज के वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे है ये लवलॉक ब्रिज, विच इज कवर्ड विद कलरफुल लॉक्स प्लेस्ड बाय पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. You can buy these locks from the shops at the Lovelock Bridge, but honestly these locks are very costly here, as this small one is priced at 120k dong and the big one is for 150k dong. अभी ये ब्रिज की लाइट्स ऑन हुई है and it looks so stunning. It's a peaceful spot to stroll around, take pictures and enjoy the city's night vibe. At 1 minute walking distance from the Love Bridge, अभी हम आए हैं Da Nang की नाइट मार्केट में. This night market is full of life, with colorful stalls selling everything from local handicrafts, handmade souvenirs, clothing, accessories, jewelries to the local snacks. You will find everything at this one spot. We had strawberry shake and mango shake from this stall at the night market, and we also shopped for some souvenirs. Then we had a dinner at the same restaurant.
After having dinner, we came back to our hotel, and this is the rooftop of the hotel with this pool and the gym. Pool with a city view. Hopefully we get time to go inside the pool.
So this is how we spent our day 1 in Da Nang. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow this Vietnam series.